Hello friends, welcome to GMG Accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter in 12th Commerce, lesson 25, government schemes for entrepreneurial development. Choose the correct answers. The Dash initiative was launched to modernize the Indian economy to make all government's services available electronically, that is Digital India. So with the help of Digital India, electronically we can modernize the Indian economy. Transform India to a global design and manufacturing hub. The Dash is designed to transform India to a global design and manufacturing hub, that is Make in India design. Dash is the government of India endeavor to promote culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. That is aim. That is the aim of the government. Next, Dash should cover aspects like source of finance, technical source of labor and raw material, market potential and profitability. That is project report. Project report cover all these things. Dash has to include the mechanism for managing venture in the project report, that is entrepreneur. Now we move on to very short answer. Very short answer. First question. Name any four governmental entrepreneurial schemes or entrepreneurial schemes. Startup India, Make in India, Stand Up India, Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme, Single Point Registration Scheme, National Skill Development Mission. These are all the schemes in India. So any four you can write. Next, give a note on Digital India. This question has been asked in the half-yearly examination last year. The Digital India initiative has been launched to modernize the Indian economy to make all government services available electronically. The initiative aims at transforming India into a digital empowered society and knowledge economy with universal access to goods and services. So with the help of electronic equipment, or you can say with the help of internet, we can purchase and sell the goods all over the world, and with the help of digital like Paytm, or with the help of making payments through electronically, we can make Digital India. Without money, we can purchase and sell the goods. That is known as Digital India. No need to take money from one place to another place. That will reduce the risk. Now, move on to next question. What is list down the two types of finance. List down the two types of finance or finance. We can say like two types. Some will say finance, some will say finance. So long term finance or short term finance. These are the two types of finance. This we will discuss later. Now there is list down or mention means only you have to write headings. No need for explanation. Now move on to next question. What is Startup India? What do you mean by startup? Through the Startup India initiative, Government of India promotes entrepreneurship by mentoring, nurturing and facilitating startups throughout their life cycle. Since its launch in January 2016, the initiative has successfully given a head start to numerous aspiring entrepreneurs. A fund of funds has been created to help startups gain access to funding. So, in the year 2016 itself, it has been started successfully and it is going on all over India. Next, expand the following, write the full form of step, jam, tread, etc. So, step, support to training and employment program for women. This is the full form of step. Jam, Janadhan Aadhaar Mobile. Trade, trade related entrepreneurship, assistance and development. M, SIPS, modified special incentive package scheme. SEED, Science for Equity Empowerment and Development. New General IEDC, New General Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center. Now, this is the full form. Now we'll move on to next question. Write a short note on the following: Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme and Project Report. This question has been asked in the revision exam in the last year. Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme aims at helping entrepreneurs in the field of agriculture, pets and animals to set up small dairy farms. Incentives are provided to cover the cost of the required equipment or establishment of the facility. So, dairy means a farm. In that farm, with the help of small pet and animals, they are doing the business. Project report. What do you mean by project report? Project report needs to be prepared according to the format prescribed in the loan application form of the term lending institution. An entrepreneur can get the report prepared either by technical consultancy organization or by auditors or by consultants or by development agencies. That is the project report. Now move on to long answer. The first long answer: explain any 5 government entrepreneur schemes. So we have to explain the scheme. Already Digital India, Startup India, Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme, we already explained. Now we move on to Jan Dhan Aadhaar Mobile, that is JAM. For the first time, it's a technological intervention that enables direct transfer of subsidies to intended beneficiaries. Therefore, eliminates all intermediaries like brokers and leakage in the system, which has a potential impact on the lives of millions of Indian citizens. So, this is known as JAM, Single Point Registration Scheme, a great scheme for small enterprises, which provides an exemption from payment of earnest money deposits. Under this scheme, the tenders are issued free of cost. So, single point registration scheme is known as this. Next, move on to second long answer. Describe the steps promoting entrepreneurial venture. Venture means work, always remember. Selection of the products. An entrepreneur may select a product according to his aspiration, capacity, and motivation. After a thorough scrutiny means verify, of micro and macro environment of business. Micro means small and large scale of business. So after verify the business of small and big business, they will select the product. So which product they can purchase and sell. Selection of form of ownership. Entrepreneur has to choose the form of organization suitable and appropriate for his venture, namely family ownership, partnership, and private limited company. So they will choose the ownership. Okay, either they will do the family business, or they will do in partnership, or they will do in private limited company. Selection of site. Entrepreneur has to choose suitable plot for accommodating his venture. He has four options mentioned below. So they will make the product and they will keep the material. Where they will keep the material? Either in state development corporation like SIDCO, SIPCOT, MMDA, TNHB, and Directorate of Industries may allot plot to entrepreneur. Entrepreneur may buy private land and develop it for industrial. So they will keep the product over here. Next one, designing capital structure. Designing capital structure. Entrepreneur has to determine the source of finance for funding the venture. He or she may mobilize funds from his own saving. Means they will use the funds from their own savings. Loans from friends and relatives, term loans from banks and financial institutions. So they will arrange the money with the help of their friends, relatives, or bank. Acquisition of manufacturing know-how. Entrepreneur Entrepreneur can acquire manufacturing know-how from government research laboratories, research and development of industries, and individual consultants. Last point, project report. Any 5 points is enough. Project report. Project reports need to be prepared according to the format prescribed in the loan application. Form of term lending institution. An entrepreneur can get the report prepared either by the technical consultancy organization, or by auditors, or by consultants, or by development agency. That is known as project report. So project report means whatever the business you are doing, on that business, full report you must be needed. Then only you will be know the business is profitable or loss. So it is a profitable business, then only you have to do the business. Otherwise, no need to do. So if it is a very short answer, it is a 2-mark question. You write 2 lines perfectly, you will get full 2 marks. If it is a 3 marks question, short answer, write 3 points, that is enough. But in 5 marks, you write 6 points. Because if some time, if you forgot 1 point, you can write 5 points at all. Or if you write 6 points, definitely if 1 point there is some mistake, then also if another 5 points is perfect, you will get full 5 points. So all the best for your exam. Read well, study well, and get good marks. Thank you.